So I asked my followers a great question. That one's, if you had $1,000 to invest in, what crypto would you invest in? Personally, I'd put it all into Jasmy. Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video on the Mighty Crypto channel where we offer your daily crypto market update for Jasmine Coin, the best and biggest cryptocurrency in the Japanese market. And today we are doing a once again daily update news analysis, starting off with Jasmy's price, currently down about 1.05% in the last day, and it sits at around 0.003368 as the price point. Now, the market cap for Jasmine is actually down also approximately 1.59% as the entire market is currently in the red, bringing the dollar value for market cap on Jasmine Coin to $164.9 million. We also seen the transaction volume in the last 24 hours for Jasmine actually skyrocket, meaning there was more movement between buy and sell orders, approximately 43%, sitting the dollar value of Jasmine Coin at approximately $15.54 million. The volume to market cap ratio in the last 24 hours sits at 9.46%, with the total circulating supply as usual at 48.8 billion and the total max supply of 50 billion. So again, these are the current values for the day. The chart is right here and we'll go ahead and do a quick brief overview of it. We do see it making higher highs and lower highs when looking at the 1 day chart. Now, I'd like to expand this chart and look at the 1 month chart, and if the data loads here. So we are generally down from the 1 month, but when looking at it, this is obviously the downtrend. We are looking at a retracement back up, and we'll look into more detail with an aggressive technical analysis shortly. But generally what we are seeing is a higher high trend and a lower high trend, meaning we're slowly breaking away from the all-time low, or from the low over the last 3 months. So as you guys can see right here, let's jump into the market sentiment for Jasmy. While the prices are low and the suspected market sentiment for Jasmy would be bearish, it is the complete opposite. The bullish momentum for Jasmy has been exploding, and multiple people have emphasized that they're bullish on Jasmy, including Gulnafofrim. I think I said that wrong, but that's his name. Day the Crypto has also cited that he's still bullish on Jasmy. We've got multiple others, as you guys can see, citing the fact that Jasmy is still bullish until those PDLs comes out, just to see if the price moves up. But we have to really put things in perspective that the country of Japan has a population of 125 million, and worldwide this has only 45,000 wallets. Meaning that 1/10 of 1% of the local Japanese market is 125,000. Gotta really think, why aren't the Japanese even buying their own coin? Lol. But it does say here that they are still bullish on Jasmy. Millhouse also citing Jasmy don't sell, and there's been plenty others. So I do want to go ahead and say that the sentiment for this coin is still looking very good, and this is great when looking at a very active community that is really hyped about the coin, even when the coin is not high in value. Redirecting to some technical analysis. Steph is Crypto cites the fact that he believes in Jasmy, and citing also that at some point it's going to happen where Jasmy skyrockets. Here is a trend that I really like, and I think it makes a lot of sense. This is a technical analysis chart. So it cites that the bear market lows were in December 2023, right here, and there's a spike, the February high of 0.0083. Then you're going to see lows, higher lows of August, and then all you guys can see right there, we are expecting another trend, like a massive pump like the one we had back then, in here right now to happen probably in the next couple months. Now, the trends are all working together because we are also seeing a massive increase in the Jasmy number of wallets that are actually holding this coin. As you guys can see right here in a tweet by Echo Goya citing that Jasmy, here is what you should be paying attention to now. Contrary to the price decline, the number of holders for the Jasmy coin has actually skyrocketed and is continuously increasing. Right now, the current amount of holders are 54,794 wallets, meaning that Jasmy has substantially grown in terms of its community and the amount of people buying. Additionally, another thing that we've actually noticed, and even Buildabee has made it clear, is that when you zoom out on the Jasmy charts, Jasmy is one of the most accumulated cryptocurrencies right now to exist. There's really nowhere to go except the upwards trend. Jasmy has potential to recover to its all-time high, which sits at around $5 USD. So again, mind-blowing because Jasmy's current price is right here, 0.003386, with an all-time high of around $4.99. So again, massive. But Buildabee also cites that not only could it break its all-time high, under the right circumstances, but the Japanese Bitcoin could easily set a new record. And this was affirmed specifically as Japan continues to grow economically, and Jasmy, labeled as the Japanese Bitcoin, which has internal connections with the Japanese government, definitely gains as an advantage every single time Japanese grow. So as you guys can see, in a brand new revelation, we got Brazil and Japan to sign a cooperative agreement to open a RAN. RAN right here is a massive technological related institution to which they signed a cooperative agreement with the main aim of expanding open RAN deployment and related technologies. So this is massive because, again, it also cites that there's going to be clear cooperation in the exploration of business opportunities between the two countries, and one of those countries hosts one of the best cryptocurrencies, Jasmy. It also continues on by saying that the regulator said that the cooperative deal also seeks to explore business opportunities between the two countries, and from Japan's perspective, Brazil has a great partner in digital expansion for many years. By building a cooperative relationship with us, Brazil places open RAN as a major priority area, which becomes a great opportunity to continue the cooperative relationships. Now, this was cited by the Japanese General Director for International Affairs, and he continued on his quote by saying the fact that open networks are increasingly attracting the attention of the government of Japan, which has been promoting policies to facilitate implementation by operators. The Antilles President Carlos Bigori noted that the open RAN represents an opportunity for the Brazilian industry, adding that the disaggregation of network components and supplier diversity will open the markets to more competitors. He also stated that the agreement with the Japanese government includes exchange of information on new technologies related to the expansion of Open RAN in Japan and Brazil. And boy oh boy, does this seem juicy for Jasmy. One of the craziest things that I haven't seen many people talk about is Jasmy's CFO and him citing something crucial, and I'll make you guys go ahead and have a look at the tweet. The tweet itself cites that Jasmy has entered into a business alliance agreement with a major market maker. He also continues on by saying the fact that we have discussed the terms and details of an agreement multiple times, and they have explained in detail how to work with the community and token. He also makes it clear that this company, or this major market maker that they're partnering with, has a clear, strong track record of working with many cryptocurrency projects, and that they plan to move forward in this relationship. Now, again, this affirms the fact that really the utility and use case for Jasmy is going to skyrocket following the next couple of weeks and months. And we've already seen a few of these little minor partnerships unveil, like Travelia, which now allows you to actually use Jasmy Coin to purchase flight tickets, flights, hotels, and a ton of other amenities that you can use while going on vacation. And like I said, you can purchase them with Jasmy Coin. So the Jasmy Coin that you have, if you want to book your flight tickets with it, even though, again, it's your Jasmy Coin, you decide. I'm personally not going to do that. I'd rather hold my Jasmy. But if you want to, you can now go ahead and use your Jasmy and pay for these services and get the service for real life use case. Now, of course, just imagine once we start to get these massive market maker that the Jasmy CFO was talking about, the real potential of Jasmy Coin. And look at it like this. We are not in a bull market right now. Matter of fact, we are in a bear market. And I can completely understand as to why a lot of people might say, you know what, I don't think Jasmy might hit a new all-time high. But the reality is facts and technical analysis have proved that every single bull run, the peak of that bull run has to be surpassed in the next peak. So an example of this is last bull run, we've seen an all-time high of around $5 USD for Jasmy. Using technical analysis and the charts, history has shown that the surpassing of the all-time high of 5 USD for Jasmy is bound to happen in the next bull run, and in fact, it should at least double that. So Jasmy in the past was $5. We are looking at least $10 to $15 per Jasmy coin by the peak of the next bull run, which again might seem like a shocker right now because of the Jasmy price. But that is the history, and the history always repeats itself. That being said, I'm going to end off the video here. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys do drop a follow on my Twitter, which is the Mighty Crypto YT. So make sure you drop a follow there, tap the like button, share the video, and that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.